In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import your LinkedIn contacts into HubSpot in the simplest and most efficient way. Whether you're trying to centralize all your professional connections or you simply want to streamline your workflow inside HubSpot, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and go to hubspot.com. Once you're there, look for the login button at the top right corner and sign into your account. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. After logging in, you'll land on your main HubSpot dashboard, which is the area where you manage all your CRM activities. Next, click on the Marketplace icon, which looks like a small grid of squares. This will open the HubSpot Marketplace. You'll see several options that help you find different apps and integrations to expand HubSpot's features. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be very straightforward, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're signed into the correct HubSpot account. Double-check that you have admin permissions and keep your LinkedIn login information ready. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you're inside the marketplace, click on Apps, then use the search bar and type LinkedIn. After that, you'll see several integration options related to LinkedIn. Choose the one that best fits your needs and click on it. A new page will open with details about the app and how it works. From here, tap the Install App button. After that, you should be able to approve the necessary permissions and connect your LinkedIn account without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to read through the permission details so you understand exactly what data will be synced. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your information safe, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to import your LinkedIn contacts into HubSpot easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?